Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you access his contacts on your StubHub. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click your own profile down here. When you just click your own profile, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, so just go down here. When here friends show for you, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on accesses your contacts. When you just click on it, and here you go to your settings, then you so you're allowed here the contacts, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.